We, the public servants of the Lai Autonomous District Council, do hereby solemnly pledge that we shall continuously strive to bring about integrity and transparency in all spheres of our activities. We also pledge that we shall work unceasingly for eradication of corruption in all spheres of life.
We also pledge that we shall work unceasingly for eradication of corruption in all spheres of life.
We shall remain vigilant and work towards the growth and reputation of our organization.
We shall remain vigilant and work towards the growth and reputation of our organization.
Through our collective efforts, we shall bring pride to our organizations and provide value-based service to our countrymen. We shall do our duty conscientiously and act without fear or favor.
We shall do